If the inside of your book looks homemade, readers might not know it's a formatting issue, but they'll notice something feels wrong. Good formatting helps protect your reviews, keep reader trust, and encourages them to keep reading. Before I upload my book anywhere, I don't go straight from Word to KDP, even though that's possible. I first take the manuscript into Vellum. Once my Word document is saved and ready, I upload the file to Vellum. This is where the book starts looking like an actual book. I like using Vellum because it makes formatting cleaner and faster. I can create ebook and print files, check chapter breaks, add images, and make the interior feel professional without turning formatting into a long, stressful project. I'm starting with the title information. This is where the title, subtitle, series name, book number, author name will go. Add the cover. You can add your publisher name if you have one, the link and logo. In the front matter, I include my copyright page and series list. For some reason, if anything is bold, Vellum thinks it's a new page and break this up, so I make them bold after importing the file. You can see I have 3 formats here. One Vellum file with my 3 book formats. I have chapter header images, so I need to remove the headings from the pages, and they're gone. For each chapter, I'll hit enter once. Insert image, add a description for accessibility, and make the correct size I want. Change this to references. Now let's check these chapter headers. Rename. For my back matter, I include my other series, newsletter call to action, review requests, and about the author section. These are not random extra pages. They all have a purpose. The other series section helps readers move from one book to another part of my catalog. The newsletter call to action gives them a way to stay connected with me outside the bookstore and give them a simple next step after finishing the book. The About the Author section helps build a stronger connection between the reader and me. Add full page image. You can add in your own title page, which I always do. Move to the top. This is where the size needs to be correct for a great image. I want to reuse elements from another book. add the next book in series. Now the page size. The trim size is 6 by 9. Generate files. I reuse much of this from previous books because there's no reason to rebuild the same pages from scratch every time, but I still check everything. I update links if necessary. I make sure the series list is up to date. I check that the newsletter call to action still makes sense. This is also where I slow down and look at the book as a reader. This is not the step where I want to rush. Formatting is more than making the file look pretty. It affects the reading experience. So this step matters. If you're self-publishing and want a smoother formatting process, Vellum is one of the tools I recommend. It's especially helpful if you publish more than one book because the time saved as well as money adds up. At this point, the book stops feeling like a document and starts to feel like a real product. Don't treat formatting like a small detail at the end. Formatting is part of the reader experience. It makes your book look professional, clean, and easy to read. When your book's interior looks polished, it builds reader trust, helps more people finish your book, and leads to better results over time. Before you upload your next book, take a moment to look over the inside the way a reader would. Check chapter headings, images, links, and back matter. Make sure your book feels complete, not just uploaded. Taking this extra step can help you publish with more confidence. If you want to keep getting better at publishing, then check out this playlist next. That playlist is a great next step because it shows you the tools, systems, and workflows that make self-publishing easier and more consistent. Watch that playlist next, and I'll see you there.